We have two hats here, one with John 3:16 and John 14 verse 6. And let's read the verses and see what both of them say. So first, John 14 verse 6, it says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except by me. Jesus is clearly stating right here that there's only one way. There's only one way to the Father, and no one else can come to the Father except going through Jesus. Let's read the second verse. John 3:16, and it says, For this is how God loved the world. He gave his one and only Son, that everyone who believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Hallelujah.